On today's show, we're going to make a chicken potato vegetable casserole. This will be very delicious. I have these really nice chicken breasts with some Weber seasoning, white sliced potatoes, cream of mushroom soup, chicken noodle soup, vegetable mix, rice, which is a brown rice, and then I have onions sliced up and garlic, all ready to go. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. We start out today by preparing our casserole dish. So I'm going to spray it with this fantastic coconut spray, just like that. Then I have some onions and garlic. I've cut up some onions into chevrons. Put them in here first, just like this, nice and slow. And then garlic. This will be great. Okay, then put the lid on here and I'll pulse it for a little bit. There we go, all done. Look at that. Now, I didn't make soup out of it, but I definitely have them in great shape. So let's put some things in the casserole dish. Let's start out with a can of little white potatoes. We'll put them on the bottom, and that'll make a nice bed for us to put other stuff on. Then I have a can of mixed vegetables, and I'm not even draining the water. These cans are just going right in. Then I can put some rice in, just like that, and a can of chicken noodle soup. So that gives us some liquid and some noodles. Then cream of mushroom soup and onions. So let's get these onions with this garlic in here. Man, I can smell it already. This is going to be so delicious. And this isn't going to take very long to cook either. I have the oven preheating, and we're going to have the thermometer in the chicken, so we're going to know when it's done. We're not going to overcook these today. There we go, cream of mushroom. Wow. A little bit more in the bottom. I want as much of this as I can get, because that tastes fantastic. Now I have to mix this all in, nice and slow, so I don't splash it all over the place. This is going to be a big, hearty meal. We are going to have leftovers. All kidding aside. I have the chickens all laid out here. These are some real nice looking breasts. We're going to season up. And I'm going to find the thickest one, and I'm going to put this probe in it. So I have my gloves, and I have my seasoning. So I'm going to start out with this Weber grill seasoning. And I'm going to put a lot on it because I tend to under-season things. So I want them to taste really, really spicy. Then I have my black pepper. Black pepper makes everything better. Salt, you have to salt. This is sea salt and garlic salt. Just like that, and then I'm going to rub it in. over. So I'm going to start out with this Weber grill seasoning. Then I have my black pepper. The best thing to do with cooking these chickens is to get a hot pan and some olive oil. Get it nice and hot, and then we're going to put the meat in and sear both sides. Grab some tongs. In the pan, in the oil. Now we're not trying to cook these, we're just trying to brown them up. So when I brown them up, I get them up to a good 145 degrees, and then I put them in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients.
Here's the question of the day. Do you like rice? If you like rice, give me a thumbs up.
The Taylor thermometer beeped at 160, and then I raised the temperature on it to 165 to let them drift up to the cooked temperature. There you go. I can bring it out. This is going to be fabulous. And we'll grab a nice spoon here to serve this up. Nice bed of rice, vegetables, potatoes. Wow. This is quite a meal. Here we go. I hope you've enjoyed watching the show. Everything looks delicious, smells good, so thanks for watching. And by the way, here's two more just like it.